Hello friends, welcome to today's session on arithmetic progressions. In this session I am going to explain third question for you from exercise 5.2 page number 106 chapter 5 arithmetic progressions. So let's read the question first. In the following APs find the missing terms in the boxes. So he has given arithmetic progressions and he has given some missing boxes in that series. We have to fill in those boxes. So let's look at the first series. So this is an arithmetic progression 2 box minus 2 box 26. So we have to find out the second term. So let us assume this to be A1, this is A2 and this is A3. So we know A1 is equal to A is equal to 2 and A3 is equal to 26. So for solving the problems in this question, we are going to use the equation An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We are going to use this formula An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In this equation, we will substitute the values and find out A3. So A3 becomes A plus 3 minus 1 into D is equal to 26. That implies A plus 2D is equal to 26. Now we will find out the value of D first so that we can find out A2. So we know the value of A is 2, right? So we will substitute 2 here. 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. 2D is equal to 26 minus 2, that is equal to 24. And D is equal to 24 by 2, that is equal to 12. So we got the value of D as 12. Now I have to find out the second term in the arithmetic progression. So what is A2? A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. I am substituting the values in this equation. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is A2? A2 is equal to A plus D. So what is the value of A? Value of A is 2 plus common difference D is 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So A2 is 14. Now let's move to the next question. Here we have to find out A1, A2, A3, A4. He has given A2 and A4 values. We have to find out A1 and A3. So A2 is equal to 13. A4 is equal to 3. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We will use this equation and find out the values of A and D. So A2 becomes A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D is equal to A plus D is equals to, what is A2? A2 value is 13. A plus D is equal to 13. This is equation 1. Now A4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D, that is equal to A plus 3D is equals to, what is A4? A4 value is 3 is equal to 3. This is equation 2. Now let's subtract 2 from 1. I am subtracting these two equations. A gets cancelled. D minus 3D is minus 2D. Is equals to 10. 13 minus 3 is 10. That implies D is equal to 10 by minus 2, that is equals to minus 5. So I got the value of D as minus 5. Now I will substitute the value of D is equal to minus 5 in equation 1. A plus D is equal to 13 in this equation. So A minus 5 is equal to 13. That implies A is equal to 13 plus 5, that is equals to 18. So now I have the values of A and D. What's the value of A? A is equal to 18 and D is equal to minus 5. So A1 is equal to A is equal to 18. So we got the value of A1. Now we have to find out the value of A3. So what is A3? A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D, that is equals to A plus 2D. So let's substitute the values here. A is 18 plus 2 into D is minus 5. So 18 minus 10, that equals to 8. So A3 is equal to 8. Now let's move to the third part of this question. He has given A1 value, A4 value, and we have to find out A2 and A3. We know An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is A1? A1 is equal to A is equal to 5 and A4 is equal to 9 1 by 2. That is equal to 9 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11 by 2. Sorry, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1 is 19 by 2. Now I have the values of A1 and A4 and I have to find out A2 and A3. What is A4? A4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D, that is equal to A plus 3D is equals to 19 by 2. I know the value of A, right? A1 is equal to A is equal to 5. So I'll substitute 5 here. Five plus 3D is equal to 19 by 2. 3D is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. Then 9 by 2. That implies 3D is equal to 9 by 2. D is equal to 9 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3 3s are 3 by 2. So I got the D value as 3 by 2. Now A2 becomes A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D, that is equal to A plus D. So what's the value of A? A is 5, D is 3 by 2. So 5 plus 3 by 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. That is equal to 6 1 by 2. Okay, now A3. A3 is equal to, so this is 6 1 by 2. A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D, that equals to A plus 2D. That equals to A is 5 plus 2 into 3 by 2. This 2 gets cancelled. 5 plus 3 is 8. So A3 is equal to 8. Here, let's assume this to be A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. He has given A1 and A6 values. We have to find out A2, A3, A4 and A5. So the formula is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A1 is equal to A is equal to minus 4 and A6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D is equal to 6. That implies A plus 5D is equal to 6. Now let's substitute the value of A in this equation and solve for D. Minus 4 plus 5D is equal to 6. 5D is equal to 6 plus 4, that is 10. That implies D is equal to 10 by 5, 5 ones, 5 2s. D is equal to 2. I got the value of D as 2. Now what is A2? A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D, that is equals to A plus D. So A is minus 4 plus 2, that is equals to minus 2. So A2 is minus 2. What is A3? A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D, that equals to A plus 2D. So minus 4 plus 2 into 2, that is equals to 2 to the 4, minus 4 is 0. So A3 is 0. A4 is equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d, that equals to a plus 3d. A is minus 4 plus 3 into d is 2, that is equals to 6 minus 4, that equals to 2. A4 is 2. A5 is equal to a plus 5 minus 1 into d, that equals to a plus 4d, that equals to minus 4 plus 4 into 2, 8 minus 4, that equals to 4. So A5 becomes 4.